Hello to every Indian. Actually, this is three simple suggestions uh, to stop black money generation. Kindly attention, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Modi ji, Finance Minister Shri Jetli ji. I am giving you the three simple suggestions to stop black money generation. If you think this is a valuable suggestion, please try to implement it. The first suggestion is to create a Bible for do and don'ts and circulate all over. हमें एक बाइबल बनानी पड़ेगी जिसमें किसको क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है, बड़ी छोटी छोटी सी चीज़ें लिखनी पड़ेंगी. क्योंकि पीपल, आई एम श्योर पीपल 60 to 70% पीपल डज नॉट नो कि उनकी जो हार्ड अर्न वाइट मनी है, दिस इज गेटिंग कन्वर्टेड इनटू अ ब्लैक मनी बाय सिंपल using cash and not fully aware. We are just saving few rupees. हम कुछ रुपए बचाने के लिए गुड्स या कोई चीज़ खरीदते हैं एंड विदाउट टैक्स. कोचिंग सेंटर्स, होम क्लासेस, पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइजर्स, वी आर पेइंग इन कैश. क्या होता है? दे विल टेल अस, ओके गो एंड ब्रिंग इट इनटू कैश, गो एंड ब्रिंग फ्रॉम एटीएम, पुल आउट फ्रॉम एटीएम एंड गिव देम द कैश, without knowing that they are actually not showing the entire income as taxable. They are showing less income as taxable and they are paying less tax. Tax चोरी कर रहे हैं. So we must be aware about that. I know most of the shopkeeper have, इनके पास दो बिल बुक्स होती है, एक फेक और एक एक्चुअल. कस्टमर जो कैश देते हैं उनको फेसबुक बिल की रसीद बना के दे देते हैं, और वो जो ई पेमेंट्स करते हैं या कुछ प्रिकॉशंस लेते हैं उनको they will give you the actual bill books which is recorded as a sales, and the shopkeeper pay tax on only those bill books, and this percentage is very less, 20 to 30 or 35% only, and keep on. So many things are there where they do this all black money generation. Second suggestion is buyer must send a SMS for the entire amount using a TIN, PIN और आधार कार्ड for each shopping. आज मैंने एक चीज़ खरीदी, मैंने तुरंत उसका SMS खोला, टिन नंबर पूछा शॉपकीपर से, टिन नंबर डाला, अमाउंट डाला और एक टोल फ्री नंबर पे भेज दिया. सेल्स रिकॉर्ड हो गई. सेलुलर कंपनीज क्या करेंगी? सारा ही कंसोलिडेट करेंगी, डेली बेसिस पे IT डिपार्टमेंट को भेज देंगी. एवरीवेयर से एवरी टिन हैज़ या यूनिक सेल मंथली कंसोलिडेट हो जाएगा, इजीली मैच हो जाएगा, एंड टैक्स टीम कैन identify their monthly income and put a tax calculation. That is very simple. Government of India has to create a really simple process, easy process. एक SMS करना एक सेल के लिए कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. We must record and follow. We have to. Third suggestion, push all shopkeepers to have a e-machine. हमें हर एक शॉपकीपर्स को पुश करना है कि एक छोटी सी किसी भी तरह की रिकॉर्डिंग वाली मशीन, ई मशीन, विच आर वेरी चीप नाउ डेज, हार्डली 5 or 6,000 rupees. You can get a good machine like Safal is using, easy to operate and can store all sales. I have been to many countries. I have not seen a single shop without e-machine. I went to UK, US, Canada, Denmark, Japan, Malaysia, Thailand, so many places. Not even a single shop without e-machine. Every sale is recorded, tax is calculated. Simple tax, that's it. On weekly basis, these shopkeepers has to send this data to common server. IT team can manage that server, and IT team can always have access, run the report easily and get the sales done. So these are the three suggestions. Now the humble request is, do not your hard earned white money goes to the other side as a black money. Few simple steps will make our own future and our kids' future safe, sophisticated and proud. Finally, would request you all to comment on YouTube or Facebook the unique way how the black money is generated or the white is converted. We all are seeing people who are generating black with the new tricks, and even they started with the new currencies also. So please start your comments with do or don'ts. It will be easy and fast to consolidate as one book. Please comment. If you like my suggestion, please comment. Finally, share this information to your entire family and friends so that they are aware how the black money is getting generated from our own hard white money and how to prevent this. Plus, do not be a part of this black money game. Even we must pressurize our family and friend to stop earning black money if we knew they are doing this. Simply boycott them. जय हिंद. देश के लिए कुछ करना तो है. Thank you.